Hey guys, the 2021 iPad event has already been finished and I have a pretty cool thoughts on the event. I will go through each and every component and major factor in the event, so just watch this video until the end, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get the latest Apple news on time. Like the previous generation, this generation of iPad has released in two variants, which is the Pro one. One is with 11-inch and another one is with 12.9-inch. And there is a pretty big difference between both of them, not only in terms of size but in terms of specification and price as well. The display technology is Liquid Retina IPS LCD panel, which has 120Hz refresh rate with HDR and Dolby Vision, which can go up to 600 nits on regular basis, and it has a PPI density of 265. Not only that, the size of the display is 11-inch, as I have mentioned before. It is scratch resistant, it has oleophobic coating, it has wide color gamut and true tone. It comes with the latest generation of iPadOS, which is the iPadOS 14.5. The processor inside the iPadOS is Apple M1. It is an octa-core processor and it comes with a 8-core graphics created by Apple GPU. And it has the storage variant of 128, 256, 512, 1TB and 2TB option. There are two types of RAM support. One is 8GB RAM, another one is 16GB RAM. The main camera is 12 megapixel f1.8. Secondary camera is 10 megapixel f2.4 125 degree ultra wide camera. The third one is a 3D LiDAR scanner, and all of the camera has quad LED dual tone flash with HDR and record up to 4K 60 frames per second. The front camera is 12 megapixel f2.4 122 degree ultra wide, and it can record up to 1080p on 60 frames per second. It also comes with a stereo speaker which has 4 speakers on each and every side. So it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0 and Thunderbolt 4 port. It also comes with Face ID, accelerometer, gyrometer, barometer, Siri natural language command and detection. The battery wattage is 28.65 watt non-removable lithium polymer battery. It can support up to 18 watt of fast charging, and it comes with two colors, silver and space gray. The price of this tablet is $799. Now we will talk about the upper variant, which is iPad Pro 12.9-inch, that also comes with an Liquid Retina XDR Mini LED LCD 120Hz HDR10 Dolby Vision 1000 nits display, which can go up to 1600 nits at a peak bright. And the size of the display is, as I have mentioned before, which is 12.9 inches, and it is 85.4% screen to body ratio. The pixel density is as similar as the previous variant, which is 265 ppi density. It is scratch resistant and has oleophobic coating as the previous one, and it has wide color gamut and true tone. It also comes with the iPadOS 14.5 and exact chipset, which is Apple M1 octa-core processor and Apple GPU of 8-core graphics. It also comes with the exact same variant, 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, 1TB and 2TB. The camera is exactly similar, which is 12 megapixel f1.8 and 10 megapixel ultra wide with the same focal length and aperture. It also comes with the LiDAR scanner as the depth sensor, and it can record exactly similar as the previous mentioned category. And it has an ultra wide camera at the front with f2.4 aperture, and which can record up to 1080p 60 frames per second, and also has electronic image stabilization. And it doesn't have any kind of 3.5mm jack. It has all 4 stereo speaker. Not only that, it also has the support of Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, and also come with GPS and Thunderbolt 4. If we talk about sensor, it has Face ID, accelerometer, gyro sensor and barometer. It also comes with a larger battery, which is 40.88 watt non-removable battery, and it also supports the charging of 18 watt technology, and it comes with two colors, silver and space gray. And the price of this iPad is $1099, that means $1099. Now I will give the verdict of which one you should go for. So these are the basic difference between both of the iPads. The iPad Pro got mini LED 40-watt battery, price is $1099 and 1600 nits. On the other hand, the iPad 11 got 120Hz LCD display, 29 watt-hour battery, and $799 is the price, and it can goes up to 600 nits. If you need the extra feature that is available on the 12.9-inch variant, then you can go for that. But for me, I think the best recommendation would be the $799 one, because first of all it is $400 cheaper and it can justify the price according to the specification, which for the upper variant looks kinda overpriced for me. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you do, make sure to give a like and comment down below that one what topic you wanted to see video next. I will make that type of video next week. Until then, peace out and stay safe.